Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss to you guys what is CSS or cascading style sheets. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is CSS? Cascading style sheets is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or hypertext markup language or XML or extensible markup language. CSS or cascading style sheets allows developers to separate the presentation of a document from its content, making it easier to maintain and update the design of a website. CSS or cascading style sheet is used to define the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual elements of a web page. It can be used to create responsive designs that adjust to different screen sizes and devices, as well as to create animations and transitions that enhance the user experience. CSS is essential in modern web app development, as it allows for the creation of visually stunning websites that are easy to navigate in use. CSS or cascading style sheets is used in combination with HTML or hypertext markup language and JavaScript to create interactive web applications and websites that can be accessed on a wide variety of devices. The applications of CSS or cascading style sheets are wide-ranging and include everything from a simple personal blogs to complex corporate websites and web applications. CSS or cascading style sheets is used to create visually appealing designs for e-commerce websites, social media platforms, and news websites. It is also used in the creation of mobile applications and digital publications. For my reference, W3C 2021 CSS applications. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on what is CSS or cascading style sheets. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.